What's up, guys? It's Hardcore Crypto here. In this video, we shall be taking a good look at Bitcoin. I'm so sorry I didn't update us on any video. Neither did I upload any video yesterday regarding the market. So, we could see clearly right here that the market has been in a very crucial downtrend for a very, very, very long time right here. So I think with the look of things, it's best to say that Bitcoin finally got rejected, just like I said. We got rejected from this major resistance. In fact, I'm supposed to be analyzing this charts with the weekly because that was the reason why this charts was meant to be here. So we could see we broke out of this resistance right here. You could see we broke out of this resistance, rallied all the way into 82,000, got rejected from there, dumped, and you could see Bitcoin has been dumping for like 3 to 4 weeks right now. Right now, we are at this major area of support right here at $70,000. So we are currently at $70,270 as of the time of me recording this video. But that doesn't change the fact that that there are major scenarios we wouldn't be expecting, that we won't be expecting from Bitcoin. The first is that we're at a level of support right here, which is around this level at $69,960. We could find support around here, then rally much higher. Who knows? Maybe recover a little bit, get rejected from here, and dump even much lower below $65,000. This can also be a possibility. A move like this can also be a possibility. And, this is definitely what I think will most likely play out. From this other chart right here, you could see that we've broken the bear flag pattern. This is extremely bearish. Very bearish. I do not know why. Okay, I will get that is for my Ethereum video. You could see clearly right here that this is definitely the situation of things right here. So if I should take most of these lines away from here, or these rectangles away from here, just for us to see the chart clearly, you could see it obviously that we have broken this bear flag pattern, which is very bearish. And with the look of things, you could see our target is $47,388. So there are major scenarios we should be expecting from this right here. The first is the fact that since we've broken below this bear flag pattern, we are most likely going to retest this level at $73,000. Once we are not able to reclaim $73,000, we are most likely going to be dumping all the way to our next major support, which is $65,000. If we're going to be reclaiming, finding support at $65,000, I do not know, but I do know for sure. What I know for sure is that this bear flag pattern is giving us the target of $47,500, and that is definitely where our next target should be. So no matter how we try to recover, or no matter how we try rallying a little bit or recovering a little bit, we do know for a fact that we are most likely going to be dumping all the way down to $47,000, or even below or close to $47,000. So this is definitely the major scenario we should be expecting. So if we are not getting a breakout from $73,000, finding support around there, then rallying, then I do not think that we are most likely going to be breaking out anytime soon. Looking at the last chart right here on Bitcoin, you could see that we've broken this major support right here. Also, you could see this trend line has been broken. It has been broken, and because it has been broken, with the look of things right here, if I take most of this away from here, you could see that because it has broken, we are also going to be retesting either here at 71,000, getting rejected, or we could rally all the way to 73,800 level, get rejected from there, dump even much lower to 64,200 or $300. So with the look of things right now, guys, things are not looking good for crypto, Bitcoin in particular. And that is simply because of the geopolitical and also micro strategy, claiming he will sell his Bitcoin. Trust me, I'm not even bothered about MicroStrategy selling his Bitcoin and the whole crypto market dumping. It's a great opportunity for me to buy the dip. So I would also advise you to also take that as an opportunity for you to buy the dip. Looking at the whole situation right here, I've already given us a what is it called? An analysis, a prediction that the moment we see the USDT dominance find support around this level, we are most likely going to bounce out of here. And once we bounce from this major support right here, which was obviously this resistance from this bull flag pattern, once we bounce off here, we are most likely going to be rallying really high to 9.6, I guess 9.8%, which means the market is definitely going to keep on dumping for a very long time. So I think with the look of things, without wasting much of your time, the best thing to do right now is to just sit on your hands and watch them as the market play out, or you keep on buying the dip. For crude oil right here, if you've been watching my video, I have made it known to us that we could either see crude oil reclaiming this major level right here at $90.30, reclaiming and rallying much higher, or we could break below this level of $90.40. So 45 cents. You can see clearly right here that we're about to find support around here and rally even much higher, because the geopolitical tension right now is getting really crazy. And looking at the S&P 500 on the other hand right here, you could see that I actually opened a long position on some stocks like MicroStrategy, which I never saw MicroStrategy planning to sell, but I'm still long on that position, nothing too serious. And for now, we could see it clearly that if I should take most of this away from here, that the stock market is kind of weak, but we have not broken below the major level. I would actually be cautious, because obviously this area right here is actually a very crucial area where I would also be very much cautious for Bitcoin. I mean, sorry, for the S&P 500. So you could see we've broken out of this level right here. You could see we've tested this level so many times. So I would suggest that it is best to wait for the S&P 500 to probably rally all the way to $7,676. Once we get a reaction from here, then we can know what to do next. But worst case scenario from S&P 500 is seeing it breaking below this major support at $7,558. That is definitely going to be very crazy for even the crypto market as a whole. So without wasting much of your time, thank you guys for watching. If you do enjoy this video, subscribe, turn on post notification, smash that like button and share this video with your friends, guys. Peace out.